Guys, YouTube has paid us our first money. Like, this is our first official how much YouTube paid me video. Oh god, I'm so excited to share this milestone with every one of you. Okay, as you all know, we just got monetized not too long ago, and right now, less than a week, we're already sharing how much YouTube paid video. So my celebration video actually got a lot of traction from you guys, and I want to say thank you so much for that celebration video, for watching the video. In case you've not seen the video, that's the video right there. You can watch it and see how I shared my excitement and how I applied for the YouTube partner program. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how much YouTube paid me for 2,000 views, guys. 2,000 views. That video has gotten over 2,000 views. Okay, now this is not to show off. Okay, it's just to encourage other creators that are working towards their YouTube monetization. A day will come that you'll be sharing this kind of video. Okay, I've seen a lot of creators sharing this type of videos on YouTube, and I've been like marveled by it. I'm like, when will I share mine? And today is finally a day I can easily share mine. I'm really excited about it, and I want you guys to stay along with me. Okay, now something you should know is that YouTube doesn't just pay you for views. Okay, it pays you for the viewers value. Do you understand? Where they are watching from, and how they are watching, who is watching, where they are watching from, and how long they stay while watching your videos, and what kind of ads actually run in your content. These are the 4 criteria for payment on YouTube. Okay, that's what YouTube use for every channel, and yeah, that's it basically. So in my own case, I'm going to be showing you everything right now, showing you where people are watching me from, how long they watch me for, how much I made from these 2,000 views. Okay, now let's go into my screen while I show you this. Okay, guys, as you can see, this is the video right here. Okay, in case you are yet to watch the video, please watch it out. Okay, I shared so much in that video. Now look at the A and B test I did for this video. Right, the first title is I got monetized on YouTube. Then the second title is how I finally got monetized. Look at the result. This is why I tell you, use A and B testing. It's very good for your videos, right? The first one won 52%, and the other one is 47%. That is how much people clicked on it separately. So the first one was retained for me. This is the results, as you can see. Now this video is 1 of 10, guys. 1 of 10. Now a lot of people will tell you that after monetizing with live stream that you don't really get views anymore on your channel, but that's not true. I feel after monetizing anyhow, you have to post relevant content that will keep people watching, right? Now this is 1 of 10. Look at the views, 2,100, but I'm going to be telling you the revenue for 2,000 because that's the one that has entered already. Now the impression click-through rate is not so high, 1.4. This is like the lowest impression click-through rate on my page. I've got the one of 5.8, 4.6, 6%. I've even got 6% of this channel, all of my new uploads after this one. But this one is the lowest click-through rate and is still, funny enough, the highest views. So you cannot really predict YouTube. Anything can happen here. This is the lowest click-through rate, but it has the highest views, even more than those that have 5%, 5.8% click-through rate. Now let's open it and see what we're going to. So I'm going to be sharing everything now. This is it. It said this video has gotten 2,142 views since it was published, right? So look at it. It said this video has gotten 2,142 views since it was published, right? Look at this video, how viewers found this video. This is YouTube recommendations. When you post content that relates to the audience that people engage with, YouTube will recommend it in the space of hours, like hours after posting. This video got YouTube recommendation because people really engaged with it. And all of the videos I've been posting since my live stream, it has been having YouTube recommendations because people have been engaging and finding it very relatable. And I'm really glad that people like all of this content. So look at the first source, how viewers found this video. I'm going to be showing you the revenue. Okay, I'm just going to break down how to check your analytics right now because many people don't know how to use this YouTube Studio. So that's the essence of all of this explanation. So stay with me quickly. I'll show you the revenue in a bit. Now, traffic source, it says channel pages. This means people that came to my page to watch the video directly is 1,000. So it's very high. Thank you guys for watching this video. I really appreciate everybody. Now, YouTube recommendation is 852 in total. The YouTube home is when those videos you check on your YouTube home page, YouTube has actually showed 800 people, 782 people rather. Then the upness is after watching a video, those suggested videos that YouTube pops up on your screen. That's the upness. So those two things are what makes up YouTube recommendations. If you keep getting it on your page, on your channel will just blow up and you just going viral because when YouTube pushes your video, it's easier than getting external source to push your video. So whenever you post a video, allow YouTube to do the work. Don't bring audience from external source because once YouTube detects it, they will stop pushing your video and allow you to do the work since you've chosen to be the algorithm. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. Now, other YouTube features, direct and unknown, YouTube search, external playlists and notifications, everything. So let's go back. Now the audience retention is not so high. This is like the lowest audience retention, the lowest click-through rate, and yet is the highest views. This is 1 minute 41 seconds. That's 11% out of 100. So over the last 48 hours, I've gotten 297 views, and this is the traffic source. So let's go to reach. That's the overview I just checked. So in case you don't know how to use your YouTube studio, this is exactly how to check your videos to know if they are doing well or not. Okay, don't just be focused on the revenue only, but focus on what I'm teaching you right now. This is exactly how to get it done. Now, the content suggesting, now the impressions, YouTube has showed this video to 122,000 people, 600. Are you seeing it? That's how much people. Then the impression click-through rate is 1.4. It's not so high. It's quite very low. Then the views is 2001. Now the unique viewers is 1,800 people. Now look at how viewers found this video, which I already showed you earlier on. Okay, look at the external side, Google search and WhatsApp. So people that shared the video, most of them shared it to WhatsApp, and that's how those views came in. YouTube search term, how to apply for YouTube monetization and monetization process and all of that. Now the content suggesting this video, these are all my content and other of my colleagues, right, on the YouTube street. These are their videos. How to monetize a YouTube channel. That's from Princess Chiamaka. YouTube paid me. That's from Glory C. So this is basically all of my colleagues, as you can see right now. Okay, when you create a video that concerns them or that is in the same niche, YouTube shares your video as up next in all of their videos. So that's how it's done. That's why you're seeing them right here. Now let's go back. Look at the playlist featuring this video. This is my easy YouTube growth tip playlist. Now let's go to the engagement quickly. So this is how you digress all of your videos and understand how it's performing in the YouTube studio. Okay, now the watch hours from this video is 60.6 watch hours. Imagine you keep getting this on the constant. You'll be able to complete your 4,000 watch hours in no time, as in a very short period of time, guys. Do you understand? Now look at the watch duration, 1.4, so 1.41. So if it was higher, the watch hours will be higher as well. Okay, now this is the remix I made, the views I got from the remix. Okay, I've cut it into short. That's what you're seeing right here. The retention, we've seen this before. Okay, the likes, I got likes both from normal channel average and the others. Now let's go to audience. Okay, look at the unique viewers, 1,800, like I said before. Now look at the subscribers I got from this video, 34 subscribers, guys, from one single video. I told you that posting is how you get your subscribers and is how you get your watch hours. If you don't post a video, you cannot grow your channel, because every other way aside posting is not going to be organic and your channel will suffer for it. So posting, creating long form videos, either creating long form videos, short or live streams, is how you grow your channel. No other way. So keep posting to grow your channel, and subscribers will be coming and watch hours will be coming as well. Okay, now these are the new viewers, the casual viewers, regular viewers. This is just percentage. YouTube telling you how your video did. Okay, viewers also watched, aside this video, these are what my viewers also watch. I use 3 tools to reach monetization. In case you don't watch that video, you should check it out. That video is very detailed. How I hit 4,000 watch hours and all of that. These are my contents that viewers also watch after they watch this particular 2,000 videos. Okay, now these are the gadget or the device type: phone, computer, TV, and all of that. This is the age bracket, 18 years old to 34 years old. Okay, that's the age bracket on this particular video. Now look at the gender, male and female. Male is 45% and female is 54%. Kudos to all my ladies. Guys, you should top this chart. The ladies are winning you at this point. Top this chart and go to like 70%. Okay, now look at the top geographies. As you all know, top geographies also concerns or affects your revenue. Okay, but Nigeria, my Nigerians are actually getting these videos to the world, and I'm so happy. Thank you so much for watching. Nigerians are on this video. That is in, they buy this market very well. So thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate everybody in Kenya, South Africa, United States, and Ghana. These are all the countries watching. Okay, let me not waste your time so much. Now these are the top subtitles or languages, mostly English and a little bit of Hindi, that's Indian. Now the watch time from subscribers, it said not subscribe 86%, subscribe is 13%. So I've been able to attract 13% from 2,000 views, and I think for a growing channel it's fair enough. Okay, we're going to be doing it one after the other. Now let's go to the big one, guys. This is the revenue time. Look at how much YouTube paid me. This is the revenue and the big one. $1.30. Somebody say $1.30, guys. Do you think this is big or not? Anyway, let me continue. Let me not be asking you upfront. Now look at how much money I make, how I made the money. He said 99.8% from watch page ads, and YouTube Premium is just 0.2%. Now look at the video estimated revenue, $1.30. Okay, look at the views right there, 2,000 views. They've not added the 100 views on top, as you can see. So YouTube takes time to add or to update all of these things. So when you see yours not adding up, don't worry, okay, it's going to add up. Now the RPM for this video is $0.63. Like I said before, it has low watch time, low impression click-through rate, and the audience or the country watching it is low CPM country as well. Okay, aside the United States, every other African countries that you saw in the audience a while ago, they are all low CPM countries. That's why you see this video in this price range. Okay, but it's still all good. I mean, the channel is growing. I'm happy and I love everybody all together, whether you're watching from the high CPM country or the low CPM country. It's good to have you guys here. Okay, now how much advertisers pay? Advertisers pay $1.76. So guys, this is how much advertisers pay for this video, $1.76. And funny enough, YouTube is unpredictable. Like I said before, I've got videos that have $6. Like after posting this video, those videos are, that some of them are like 200 views, 100 views, they have $6, as in as how much advertisers paid. But this one that has 2k views has $1 because of some factors, right? So this is it, but I'm still happy. Now let me tell you something. Some of my live streams, I might even be showing you guys, some of my live streams has $20 as how much advertisers pay. And I'm like, YouTube, I'm still trying to understand the OTPM thing though. Although I know that when you advertisers pay money, YouTube pays you 55% of what advertisers pay and they collect 45%. So I think it's fair enough because I mean they own the platform. So thank you guys for engaging this video. This is just the type of ads that YouTube played and all of that. So that is it basically, guys. So what do you think about this video? Do you think this price is worth it, or do you think it's a waste of time? For me, I think it's worth it, right? It's worth it because after monetization, the first 3 months might not be so juicy or rosy, but after that time, if you are able to continue posting valuable content, there's going to be a change, and for the better actually. So guys, this is it for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Okay, bye for now.